These VW ID buzz renderings make the minivan cool again. It may not be air-cooled, it may not have a 4-speed manual transmission. Heck, it may not run on gasoline at all. But there's no denying that the Volkswagen ID buzz concept has rekindled interest in the minivan that started it all. Way back in 1950 when VW chief Heinz Nordhoff approved a production version of the Type 2 that had been proposed by Dutch importer Ben Pon. Those humble beginnings bore fruit that ripened into a cultural icon with popularity that refuses to diminish. So intrinsic is the draw of the bus that Volkswagen has seen fit to tease an eager public with several concepts hinting that a remake of the van could be in the cards. But it wasn't until the ID Buzz concept drew accolades at the 2017 Detroit Auto Show that VW officially decided it's finally time to bring back the bus. A production version of the venerable van is expected to debut in 2022 as an all-electric people mover.